Okay, so this is the review for the Factor Master test. This is the review, not the pretest. So you were given two papers that look very, very similar. The pretest you did in class, the review you were given, and we went over some of the problems. Hopefully you are watching this because you need a little extra help and it will be helpful. So the first couple of problems are just multiplying polynomials. Remember, when we're multiplying polynomials, we multiply the big numbers and add the exponents. So we're going to multiply here. We're going to distribute. 4 times 3 is 12. X times x is x squared. So you just want to really take your time and multiply every piece there. Remember, it's x to the first is what you have when you just have an x, so you need that squared there. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 4x times 9, we have a plus in the middle. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 has an x with it, the 9 doesn't. And that's your final answer there. For number 2 here, we're going to double distribute. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to section it off a little bit. I'm going to take the 2x and I'm going to multiply with everything in the other set of parentheses. 2x times 5x. So 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. 2 times positive 8, so I'm going to put a plus in the middle because it's positive. 2 times 8 is 16. I have x and no x, so I need an x there. Now I'm going to do the same thing with negative 7. I'm going to multiply it with everything in the next set of the parentheses as well. Negative 7 times 5x. So really break it down, really take your time. Negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. 7 doesn't have an x with it, but 5 does, so that term needs an x. And then lastly here, negative 7 times 8. Negative 7 times positive 8 is going to give us a negative 56. So you've done most of the hard work here. The last thing you need to do is combine your middle terms. So if you did it in this order, your middle terms are like terms. The 10x squared stays where it is. It doesn't have any like terms because like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. What we need to do is add 16 minus 35. Positive 16 minus 35 is negative 19. X, and then our negative 56 comes out. And that's done. So be really careful when you're doing these. Step through them slowly. Double check your work. Use a calculator as much as you need to. And then with your middle terms there, remember, when you're adding like terms, you're not changing the exponent or the variable. So 16x's minus 35x's is negative 19x's. All right, that's 1 and 2.